Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to enable or disable high contrast mode on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu icon, click on settings. After open settings window, click on accessibility from your left side over here. On your right side you will get contrast themes, so click on that. So here on this window you will get contrast themes. So from here you can disable or enable this contrast mode. For that you just need to, if you want to disable, you just need to select here none and click on apply. And after that it will disable on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you can also enable, if you want to enable, then you just need to select any mode from here and click on apply, and after that you are done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.